Traders are watching British pounds USD closely right now, and the structure is starting to shift. Here is what the chart is showing. British pounds USD has been on a downtrend inner structure trend on the daily chart for about 2 weeks now. Price has been creating a higher high and a series of lower high, which indicates a bearish trend building up on the British pounds USD. So this week, price failed to close above this major structure level, which is a strong resistance level. You can see that this bullish candlestick closed on this resistance level, indicating price reversal back to this support level. So long price close on this resistance level, this is an indication of price reversal to this level. So our job for now is to wait for price to close below this support level, and once price close below this support level, this confirm price to this next daily support level. So let's confirm this trend from our higher time frame to know if price will truly go to that particular direction on the British pounds USD. So let's go start our top down analysis from the monthly chart. So on my monthly chart, you can clearly see we still have this inner structure uptrend movement on the British pounds USD, which is we have this lower low and this higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. So this series of higher lows is an indication of a bullish trend on the British pounds USD on the monthly chart. But so long price close on this monthly resistance level and did a first breakout of this monthly resistance level, this is also an indication of a bearish reversal of price back to this support level, this monthly support level. And so long we have this first breakout on the monthly chart, this is a confirmation of price need to retest this particular support level. So long we have this first breakout, it's an indication of reversal of price back to this support level. And once we see price break, so long price fail to close above this resistance level and create a first breakout, this is an indication of price reversal back to this monthly support on the monthly chart. So this is a reversal trend currently on the pounds USD, indicating on the monthly chart. So our job is to look out for selling opportunity from the higher time frame to this next monthly support level. So let's look at the weekly chart. The pounds USD on the weekly chart also did a first breakout with this bearish rejection candlestick on the weekly chart, which is price rejected from this level, which is price rejected from this resistance level and this resistance level. Seeing price rejecting from this resistance level, this is an indication of price reversal back to this support level, and a break of this support level, this might trigger more bearish trend to this next support level. So we have to look out for more of the bearish trend for the pounds USD, because the higher time frame are all indicating bearish trend on the pounds USD. How do we take our trade? Our job and how to take our trade is for us to drop down to the lower time frame. And how do you do that? If you don't know how to do that, you can book for my one-on-one mentorship, the link in description below, or you can also book for my video courses, the link also in description below, where I break down the right steps to take a proper entry on your trade on the lower time frame. So let's continue with our analysis. So the higher time frame are already giving us a confirmation of price reversal to the 1.3370. So our job is to look out for levels to enter these trades. Let's go back to our daily chart. So on our daily chart now, you can see we have this structure which draws my attention to this selling opportunity on the daily time frame, which is we have this higher high and a lower high and a lower high, then a lower high. So this draws my attention for this bearish opportunity on the GBPUSD. So now let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart to break down our entry levels on the pounds USD. So on the 4-hour chart, you can clearly see also we have price creating this higher high and a lower high. So this creates a double top for the pounds USD. So long price creates this double top. This is an indication of price reversal on the British pounds USD. So once you see a double top on your chart, this is an indication of price reversal. So once price, you can see that price has closed below the double top neck, which is this level. So long price close below this double top neck level is an indication of reversal trend for the pounds USD. Then you can see that price has been, after then price has been creating a series of lower high to the down. So we are expecting the pounds USD to continue to create a series of lower highs to the downside. So long price close below this level, our next job is to wait for price to reverse to this level. Then we'll start looking for more selling opportunity for the pounds USD. So our job now is to know the right levels and the right price action setup to use to take this particular trade. You can do that by getting access to our video courses or get access to our one-on-one mentorship. The link also in description below. So take advantage of this trade and let's see how this particular setup will play out. So if you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading tips and forex analysis. Don't forget also to share this video to your community for others to get access to this vital information. So you can also watch my previous analysis on the Euro USD at the top. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.